Hi students, I am Sanjay Roy and you are welcome to my Physics Digiteaching channel. Today I will teach you gravitational potential and escape velocity. Before going to discuss about gravitational potential and escape velocity, I just remind you gravitational force. You all know what is gravitational force. In this universe, any two bodies attract each other along the line, joining their centers. And this force is given by Newton's gravitational formula. What is this formula? If M1 and M2 are two bodies, you see here, this is a body M1 and this is a body of mass M2. The center to center distance are, this is M1, this is M2. According to Newton's gravitational formula, the attractive force, that is gravitational force, F proportional to the product of their masses, that is F proportional to M1, M2, and this force is inversely proportional to the square of their center to center distance, that is F proportional to 1 by r square. And according to joint variation, this force F equal to, F proportional to M1, M2 by r square, and we can write F equal to capital G M1 M2 by r square. This is the mathematical formula of Newton's gravitational force. G is called universal gravitational constant and its value in SI unit 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg to the power minus 2. Now we learn what is gravitational field. Here we take a body of mass capital M. If we bring another body, say mass small m, around this region, around the region of this body, then this body will experience a force. Now the field is the region around the body up to which this gravitational force will exist. This is the gravitational field. That is, it is the region. It is a region of a body up to which it gives a force on another body. Okay, this is the gravitational field. Now I will discuss gravitational potential. Gravitational potential is defined as the work done to bring a unit mass, to bring a body of unit mass from infinite distance to a point in the gravitational field. Say this is a body of mass m. We are bringing a body of mass m, mass is unity, from infinity to a point P in the field of the body of mass m. At any instant, say the unit mass is in this point Q and this is distance x. Then at the point Q, this unit mass will experience a force F equal to capital G capital M into 1 by x square. This is the force of attraction on the unit mass due to the mass capital M. Now if we displace this body by a distance dx, small distance dx, then work done dw equal to F into dx. This work done by the gravitational force. Now if we want to calculate total work done to bring the unit mass from infinity to the point P, then we integrate this expression, then we get total work done W, and this is F dx infinity to R. Here F equal to capital G capital M square into dx. Capital G capital M integration dx by x square infinity to R, and this is integration minus 1 by x. Finally, we get the result. This is R. 1 by infinity equal to 0, then we get minus gm by R. This work done is the potential V equal to minus G capital M by R. This is the gravitational potential. What is gravitational potential? It is the work done to bring a unit mass from infinite distance to a point in the gravitational field. Now I will discuss about gravitational potential energy. How to define gravitational potential energy? It is the work done to bring any body from infinite distance to a point of gravitational field is called gravitational potential energy. How to calculate? Here a body of mass capital M. This is the gravitational field of that body. Now we want to calculate the gravitational potential energy. Here another mass small m. Gravitational potential energy of this system capital M and small m. I want to calculate now this gravitational potential energy. At any instant, say the body small m is at a distance x from this center. Then gravitational force between capital M and small m is given by capital G, capital M, small m by x square. Now the mass m is displaced by a small distance dx towards the body of capital M, and this gravitational force does work dw equal to F into dx. Now we, by definition, the gravitational potential energy is the total work done to bring this body from infinite distance to any point of gravitational field. Then if we integrate this result from infinity to r, this is the distance r from center, then we get the total work done, and this is capital G, capital M, small m by x square into dx. This is x square. Then we easily get this minus 1 by x, the integration, and this limit infinity to r. Here we get the minus comes out of the bracket g m m. Here the upper limit 1 by r minus 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity gives 0. Therefore w equal to capital G, capital M, small m by r. This is the work done to bring the body from infinite distance to a point of gravitational field of the body of capital mass. This work done is stored as the gravitational potential energy, and therefore we write U equal to capital G, capital M, small m by r. If this body is earth, then this is the radius, capital R is the radius of earth. If this body is on the surface of the earth, then small r equal to capital R, and on the surface of the earth this potential energy capital G, capital M, small m by capital R. This is the gravitational potential energy on the surface of the earth or any body of small mass m. Now we discuss escape velocity. What is the escape velocity? Say on the surface of the earth, here is a mass m, and this is projected vertically upward with a velocity v1. The earth is pulling this body towards center, therefore the body attains a maximum height and then it comes back to the earth again. If the velocity is increases, then it will reach a greater height than before and again comes to the ground of the earth. Now if the value of velocity is such that this body will escape into the space and the body goes beyond the gravitational field of the earth, then this velocity is called the escape velocity. Then what is the definition of escape velocity? Escape velocity is the minimum velocity for any planet, for any satellite or any star with which a body is projected from the surface of this planet or star or satellite, that this body goes beyond the gravitational attractive field and it escapes into the space, then this velocity is called escape velocity. Now we find the expression of escape velocity for Earth's surface. We already discussed on the surface of the earth the gravitational potential energy of a body of mass small m is given by minus g capital M small m by capital R. Here capital R is the radius of earth. If the body is at rest, then this is the total energy of that body. Here the negative sign signifies that the body is under a attractive force field. Now if we give equal positive energy plus capital G capital M small m by R, then the total energy of this body is 0. Now this body is free to move anywhere. What kind of energy we will give? Now if we give this energy in the form of kinetic energy, say the velocity of projection of the body is VE, then the kinetic energy half m VE square. This is the capital G capital M small m by R. Now VE equal to under root 2 capital G capital M by R. This is the escape velocity on the surface of the earth, and this result is true for any spherical satellite, star or planet. For earth we know acceleration due to gravity small g is given by capital G capital M by R square. Then capital GM equal to small g capital R square. If we substitute this value, then we get VE equal to 2 into GR square by R, and this is under root 2 GR. Here G is the acceleration due to gravity and capital R is the radius of earth. We know G equal to 9.8 meter per second square and radius of earth 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. If we substitute this here, we get 2 into 9.8 into 6.4 into 10 to the power 6, and this will give the simplified result 11.2 into 10 to the power 3 meter per second, and which is 11.2 kilometer per second. If we throw any body with a velocity greater than 11.2 kilometer per second, then this body will flee into the space and it will go beyond the gravitational field or gravitational force of earth. So our escape velocity for earth VE equal to 11.2 km per second, and the expression mathematical expression 2 capital G m by r or V equal to under root 2 G small r. Okay.